Hello everyone, my name is Simon and you are watching J Tech Tips where you can find the easiest tech tips and tricks. In my previous tutorial, I have told you how to download the Adobe Photoshop CC 2022 and many of you don't know how to install it properly. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install it properly. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you don't know how to download the Adobe Photoshop CC 2022, then watch my previous tutorial right above here. After downloading the Adobe Photoshop CC 2022, follow these instructions to install it properly. So to install the Adobe Photoshop CC 2022, first of all, open that file where you have downloaded the Adobe Photoshop CC 2022. So in my case, it's in the soft file or in the software file. Here I have the Adobe Photoshop 2022 version. So first of all, I'm going to open it and run the setup file. So if you have access to Adobe Cloud Service, then I would recommend you to go for it and use it. So in my case, I'm not going to use it. So here in the installation process, I'm going to use the default location and the English language, of course, and click on continue. And it will begin to install the Adobe Photoshop CC 2022 in your PC. So after finishing the installation process, open Photoshop CC 2022 and you are ready to use it properly. So if you like this video, then make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe this channel to get more videos like this. And yeah, subscribe this channel, it's completely free. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, watch our previous videos and stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.